So good morning. So today we're going to train chest. I've not trained chest in a while. I'm going to do proper like powerlifting strength training. I apologise for the hair. Missed my hair appointment, and I'm in on Wednesday. It's Friday. It's a bit, yeah. Anyway, so I'm training chest today. I'm going to do chest workout, triceps. I'm intrigued to see what I'll get up to, because I've not trained barbell benching properly in a year. So we're having a coffee, watch a bit of YouTube, and then we will see you at the gym. Bye. So we were going to do chest, but everywhere that I would do chest is busy. So we'll do shoulders. Play incline first. Big warm up, and we'll probably work up to heavy set of 3 powerlifting. So yeah. So I've not done this in ages, so I'm not going to go mental. This is 40 kilo. Might be my 5 or 6. Then we'll do a 3 and maybe a double. Yeah. So I reckon we're going to work up to 20 a side, which will be 60 kilo. Instead of having a bad shoulder, I don't think that's bad. So first couple of sessions back on each body part, I'm not going to push it. Let's try this. So, headphones. So, try this. Anything above a single will do. I'll be happy with. And then we'll go on to the Smith machine. Do some shit on there. It always hurts with the watch on. Oh, not my face. Always hurts with the watch on. So, worked up to 60 kilo for, what did we do, 3? 4, 3. This is fine, yeah, nothing. Once my muscles have got used to lifting again, I'll be able to put 40 kilo on aside. But I just need to not pull anything, not strain anything. I need to make sure that my body's ready for it. And once it's ready for it, we're all right. I'm going to do some accessories on this, not heavy, sets of 12, blood flow, all that jazz. See you in a bit, man. Oh, so that's incline shoulders or chest. Then it's Smith machine, and then we're going to do standing, what's it called? Overhead press. Shoulders have always been my Achilles. I've always been shit at shoulders. So the fact that they feel fairly strong is good. My worry in the next couple of days is my first ever leg day. I'm going to coincide it with 2 days off at work, because then if I'm broken, then we're all right. So we're going to start warming up. I don't know what we'll get up to on this. Really unsure, but we'll see. So we're going to walk up in 5s. So this is 40 kilo, big weight. So, top set, 60 kilo, as you can see. 60 kilo. So we're going to see what that's, if it moves. I feel quite strong actually in the shoulders. So we will see, yeah, we will see how it goes. Yeah. She's going rather well today. Right, let's get you set up. Famous last words, but this, oh, my knees. Oh, I'm so old. So a single would be nice. Double would be lovely. A triple would be excellent. No wrist straps. No belt either. That's the thing I need to purchase. Stone chop belt. Fuck me that really. So that's all I'm filming today. I'm going to do some other bits, but I'm not going to film them. That's today's video done. Like, comment, share, subscribe. See you later.